Crude oil dropped over 4% today. Earlier this year, it spiked to 112 when Iran war fears. It's now back near $81. We ran FSR on crude oil futures and on ExxonMobil separately. The two charts tell completely different stories. Oil has been one of the most geopolitically driven commodities this year. This administration's back and forth on Iran, threats, diplomacy, sanctions, negotiations has created exactly the kind of unpredictable environment that makes data structure analysis interesting. When headlines drive price more than fundamentals, FSR reflects that. 1 year of crude oil futures daily data. FSR scores 64.6%. Rolling FSR, 95%. Price started the year around $65. Grinded sideways near $60 for the first 7 months, then spiked hard, running from 65 all the way to 112 in a relatively short window. That was the Iran escalation. Rolling FSR dropped to 75% at the worst point of that spike, the lowest reading of the year. The structure broke during the most violent part of the move. Price has since pulled back to around 81. Still above the yearly average of 71, but well off the highs. Now ExxonMobil for comparison. FSR scored 73%, rolling FSR 96%. Price started the year near 108, climbed steadily to a peak near 170, and has pulled back to 148, still holding above the yearly average of 127. Notice what didn't happen here. The rolling FSR never dropped below 91%, even during the oil price spike and subsequent sell-off. ExxonMobil's stock held its structural integrity. The stock absorbed the volatility better than the commodity itself. That gap between 64% on crude and 73% on Exxon tells you something important. The raw commodity was more structurally disrupted by the Iran news than the major oil company stock. ExxonMobil has diversification, hedging, and long-term contracts that cushion it from daily oil price swings. The FSR data captures that cushion numerically. Today's 4% drop in crude is happening inside a data series that has been volatile since the Iran spike. The rolling FSR on the far right of the crude chart is still showing significant chop, windows dropping into the low to mid 80s regularly. Until that stabilizes, the short-term structure in oil remains unsettled. All this can be run at predictability-api.com. Run FSR on any time series data. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.